In today's video, we are going to drink the blood of our enemies. Well, maybe not in this one, but we will create a spooky nail set for Halloween. By the way, this is totally real blood and not at all cranberry juice. Hi, welcome to Studio Cherry. I'm Simone Cherry, and October is finally here, and that means that fall has officially started. And this is my favorite season because it has the best clothes, there's clouds, cool breeze and fun weather. Well, maybe not in my country. So we'll stay at home, set the air conditioner to 16 degrees Celsius and pretend fall is here. Of course, there's also Halloween, and something you didn't know, my birthday is right on October 31st, the day of Halloween. So, as you can see, this month is very special to me, and that's why I want to create something extra. Another thing I'm super excited about is that this is actually the first time I'm making a video in English. If you haven't seen my other videos, they all have English subtitles, so you can definitely watch them. Oh, I almost forgot. We need some proper Halloween decor. Okay, now let's get started. I'm starting off with a light peach color as a base for my first design. On this nail, I want to create a spooky scene of a cat silhouette looking at the moon. I will use my airbrush and some stencils to do that. I paint some branches of a scary tree and some ground for the cat to sit on. Now I just need to top it off with a shiny top coat. For this nail, I'm starting off with a sketch, and for that I'm just using a pencil. This design is going to be a face of a spooky cat. My inspiration was Cheshire Cat from the Alice in Wonderland cartoon, but mine is an angry one. Maybe somebody just stepped on his tail. By accident, of course. For the cat's eyes, I'm using a cat eye gel polish to make them really shine and pop. Moving on to the mouth. I just go over the sketch I made with some black gel polish. I apply a shiny top coat and this nail is done. I already prepared a white base color and I'm drawing a sketch of a spiral. I will try to make it as symmetrical as possible, but it's a freehand drawing, so wish me luck. I feel like in Halloween those black and white nails are a must. Some matte top coat and we're done. For this nail, I want to paint a big blue eyeball swimming in some hot pink goo. I paint the pupil with a dotting tool, and then I move on to the details of the eyeball and the goo to make it look more gooey. I finish this design off with a matte top coat. For the last nail, I'm going to paint black and white stripes. I leave some room on top of the nail because I want to paint a drip of the pink goo. I used white gel polish first to make the pink color pop. I'm painting some details and I'm finishing off with a matte top coat. Let's see how it all looks together. I'm so happy with the spooky nails I created. I hope you like them too. If you enjoyed this video and you want more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on any new videos about unique decorations and innovative design. See you in the next one!